Hi, this is Dave here. In this video, I'm going to show you what the heck is Lofty Marketplace. I'm going to go through some of the ideas on there, maybe give you some tips and tricks, but this is for people that want to put money into their business through Lofty and maybe pay for a service to do some of their lead gen or marketing or whatever it is. I'm going to show you for that. Now, before we start, please like, subscribe, and share because again, sharing is caring. So up here, we go to the marketplace. Now, depending on what account you have, you may have some of these things, you may not have some of these things. Again, it's all going to be dependent on what brokerage you're at or if you're on a team. So bear with me, but this is what I have, and I should have everything because at Real, we actually get a team account for only $40 a month, which is fantastic. So we get we get to see everything. And also too, at Real, we get the comparative market analysis, the CMA for free. I believe if you were somewhere else, it would be like $20 a month, but the prices will be on here. So again, these are going to be add-ons that are going to be money spent on your account that you put into these if you don't get them for free. So these are just some Lofty add-ons. What I'm going to do is, if you want to look at lead generation, for example, boom, it's going to show you a bunch of lead gen ideas. So if you want to go on Bing, listing blasts, all these cool things. I'm a big fan of geographic farming, so you may want to learn more about that. Also, if you need some help with your social media, they have a social media boost. So this actually helps create content and boost it out to your social media. I choose not to do that because I already do it myself, but that's something people have found value in. Also, there's that CMA I talked about. So this is included in our package, but it's good to have it. It's a pretty good one. If you already have Cloud CMA, you can actually connect it down here. So don't buy it here then. But if you don't have any sort of CMA service, this one's good. Home reports, IDX website, we should already get, depending on what account, but you should already get a website. If you want to add more seats, if you're a team leader, there you go. There's all the other ways of doing it. Maybe you're looking for some coaching for Lofty, but why do you need coaching when you got me? Huh? And so that's for the lead gen. And again, too, it's going to be money. So if you're looking to invest in it, I personally don't spend money on this type of marketing because I've been in the business since 2009. My business is more referral based. So I do things more client events, staying in touch. So I do more of that. But if you're looking to bolster your lead gen, there's some good options in here. Now, then down to third-party services. So, if you want to integrate some things, go through these and look, because maybe you're already paying this for somewhere else. Then you can actually connect it to Lofty. Some of the big ones like Happy Grasshopper, Constant Contact, BombBomb. I have BombBomb, so mine's connected. So love BombBomb. Mailbox Power. That's actually a pretty cool thing too. So if you don't know what Mailbox Power is, I'll put a link in the description. But check out Mailbox Power because I have this going on. It sends out a personalized like birthday card from me, and you can put gifts, you can put gift cards, and do all these other things. So this is a great way of doing some tangible marketing to your clients or sphere of influence, your vendor partners, whatever it is. But yes, that is something you should look into. But again, go into the description, and there'll be a link on there. Sly Broadcast, MailChimp, Box Brownie, love Box Brownie. They do virtual staging. So again, I don't work for any of these companies, but I use Box Brownie. Well worth it. Well worth it. So again, just go to Box Brownie. Data services, marketing services, productivity. So again, these are pretty basic stuff. I already have my things, connected. Calendly, if you use that, go ahead. And then your email should already be connected. Your transactions. So if you use like a Dotloop or a SkySlope, you can connect those as well. Brokermint, I know some people use that. But at Real, we have an in-house service, so it's already connected to our systems. So yeah, so this is Lofty Marketplace. Cool stuff, cool things in there. Again, it's gonna be money out of your pocket, but if you're willing to invest in you and your growth and do it correctly, these are some great ways of doing so. So please like, subscribe, and share, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great day.